Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get rich in Conflict of Nations World War III. So this works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to get free gold unlimited, bro. So just go over to hexmods.com. This site has tons of mods. Find the Conflict of Nations World War III mod. Go ahead and press on it. Press the download button. It's going to start to download. So there you go. That's how you get the Conflict of Nations World War III mod, bro. Now, before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So this just means downloading some apps, completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real App Store. And this ensures that you get the Conflict of Nations World War III mod. So as you can see, they're all different. Depending on what country you're in, you're probably going to see different apps than me. But you just press on it, you press tap to install, and it redirects you to the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. But as you can see, like test now, install, open, and make a 30-second call. Alibaba, download, install, run for 30 seconds. So make sure you read the instructions and then you're going to be good to go. So then you will get your Conflict of Nations World War III hack with unlimited gold. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this actually works and it's super insane. So all you have to do is complete the verification. Basically, it's a very easy step, and that will get you your Conflict of Nations World War III modded version. So that is super cool, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So if we go onto the Play Store and we type in Conflict of Nations, bro, here's the game, and we go to in-app purchases. As you can see, it goes all the way up to $200. So if you guys want to pay for the in-app purchases, that is fine, but I'm not paying, bro. That's ridiculous. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Peace out.